Congratulations, 8th graders! You did it! Over the course of this year, we've had a lot of fun. We played. We created works of art. And of course, we did homework. And you grew in spirit and in truth. And before you knew it, a whole year had gone by. Despite being older, you're never too old to get advice.
What advice would you give new high school students?
Well, first of all, I would say one of the most important things is time management. So manage your time well, and that will help you out a lot. That will reduce your stress. So also manage your stress. If you're really stressed out, that it will affect your mental health greatly. So please just take care of yourself and focus on time management.
So first, whenever a lesson or a unit is finished, don't forget to review, because at the end, when you prepare for exam, you'll barely remember the important parts and those details. So don't forget to review all the time.
My advice is studying is important, but try to make the most memories as possible and have fun with your friends.
I think just don't procrastinate. You're going to get so much harder, and get some sleep. It's going to be really hard later.
I would say have the most fun during your summer and be ready for high school.
Life is full of opportunities, so don't miss out on any of them, because you don't know what your future will bring.
Congratulations, 8th grade class of 2021.